Are you ever late for anything? This is the first question.
मैम हम डेली बेस के बारे में बोलेंगे भी अभी आप लेट होते हो?
Yes, for any work, even if you go out. So, for example, you are a student, you go to your college every day. Are you ever late for your classes or for any
Yes.
appointment? Or if anyone is working, is he or she ever late for his work or some meeting, some important meeting? So, the question is, are you ever late for anything?
Although I am very punctual, but due to inconvenience of bus service, uh, every day I go late in my class. I go late in class, so I feel very inconvenient while entering in the class.
Okay, I reach late for my class, not I go late for my class, because of the inconvenience of caused due to the bus service, or you can say due to the irregular bus service in my area.
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay, you can talk like that. Due to the irregular bus service in my area, I'm not able to reach my for my classes on time, or I reach late for my class every day. As a result, I feel you can say I feel inconvenient or uncomfortable,
हाँ जी मैम.
or sometimes embarrassed. Okay,
हाँ जी.
I feel uncomfortable or embarrassed whenever I enter my class due to that.
हाँ जी.
Okay, fine. Yes, Abhimanyu, are you ever late for anything?
Yes, I do late sometimes. Although I didn't plan to reach my class or meeting late, but sometimes I get late uh, because of many reasons. Like sometimes I hang on traffic, or sometimes I am busy and I forget. Because of that, I get late sometimes.
Okay, so I get stuck in the traffic, not hang on in the traffic. Okay, sometimes I get stuck in the traffic, or oh, what was the last point that you said? Sometimes I forget.
Sometimes I am busy on working something, and because of that I forget the event about the which I have to attend.
Okay.
It may be meeting or class, something is there. So if I forget, then because of that I get late.
Okay, so sometimes you are forgetful, and as a result, you don't make up to that appointment or event.
Yes, it happened with me sometimes
Okay,
in past. That's
fine, fine. Okay, the next question is, what excuses do you use when you are late?
I don't like to tell lie when I get late. I try to solve my problem by telling genuine problems.
Yes.
Due to मैम क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दो.
Yes, so what excuses do you use when you are late?
I don't like to tell lie. So whenever I get late, so I try to tell genuine problems to my teachers when I when I reach late in the class.
Okay, okay. So I do not like to tell lies. In place
Okay.
of lie, you can say lies. Otherwise, the answer was correct. Okay. Yes, Abhimanyu, what excuses do you use when you are late?
most of the time I speak truth. I give genuine reason why I am late, but sometimes few reason I could not ex- tell in front of everyone. So that's why sometimes I lie also.
Okay, but at times there are some reasons, some personal reasons you can say.
Okay, okay. Some personal reason, because of some personal reason, I lie.
Yes, because there are some personal reasons which I don't like to disclose in front of others, or which I'm not able to disclose in front of others. So, in those kind of situations, I do make some excuses.
Okay,
Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, what excuses do people have when they are late? What about other people? What excuses do they make when they are late?
Mm, from my perspective, people do many complaints about their hectic schedule and their time management, and even um,
They even
they even excuse about the transport.
make excuse about.
Uh, they even make excuses about public transport, traffic, and so on. They always complain about the facilities provided by government, and they try to use these excuses whenever they get late.
Okay, okay, good, good. Okay, now you said and so on. So the words like so on, etc.,
हाँ
many
जी मैम
more,
मैं भूल गई.
yeah. So you will not use these kinds of words in your answers, whether it is in writing or it is in speaking. Okay,
हाँ जी मैम.
Abhimanyu?
Yes. Could you please repeat the question once?
Yes, I will repeat. I was just mentioning that sometimes we use like words like etc., many more, and so on. So these kinds of words we will
Connect.
not use. Uh, no, it's just like and so on, like etc.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, we use some kinds sometimes in our speaking, but we are not supposed to use these in IELTS speaking exam, nor in writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so the question is, what excuses do people have when they are late?
Well, there are varieties of excuses I have heard in past. Most of them have a very valid reason, and because of that, they were allowed in the class. Uh, I remember a few people said that uh,
See here,
they
now
have
you are again going in the past tense. Okay, you have to answer in simple present. What excuses do people have when they are late?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, you're talking about past that you came to know, you heard about it. No, usually people talk like that or
Okay,
they give excuse like that. Usually people say that. Like that, you have to answer. So you need to understand the tense of the question also.
okay. Can I give an example of past example which I have experienced to answer this question?
No, you have experience, you know already from your past experience, but you will speak about it in present tense.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. I will answer it again.
Yeah.
Um, well, well, I've seen there are many reasons the student give. There are
People
and
give.
people give genuine reason uh, uh, why they are late, and is well accepted by most of the teachers.
Okay, so we are not talking about a college or a educational institute in general, but
Okay,
in particular,
it's general.
yeah.
Okay, okay,
So you can say that mostly I believe that people give genuine reasons, but sometimes people give excuses like car or a bike breakdown, that their car or a bike broke down, or that they were stuck in the traffic whenever they get late.
okay, ma'am. Okay,
Or sometimes people also say that they were not well or they had a severe headache. So I think
okay,
these are the kinds of excuses which people make when they are late. Okay, so
okay, ma'am.
even if you believe that people make give genuine reasons, so that's okay. That's your opinion. It is okay. So I believe that mostly people